Assalamu alaikum everyone. How have you been? I hope that you are not bad by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm passing very fantastic time with my English speaking partner. Today in this video I would like to share with you how many minutes we have to practice our English every single day, how we can improve our English. I have seen many students, they don't know how we can improve our English journey. That's why today I will share this matter. How many minutes we have to practice English every single day. I will suggest you and I will request you, if you want to be a fluent speaker in your village, first of all you have to practice your English every single day. Every day you try to practice English at least 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It doesn't matter if you stay in your house or if you stay in your city. It doesn't matter. Every day just you try to practice English 20 minutes to 30 minutes. I hope that when you will practice your English every single day regularly, you can become good speaker in your village. You can successful person in your city. Every day you try to follow this consistency. If you do not practice every day, you will not be able to improve yourself. You will not be able to learn English quickly without more practice. You don't need much practice every single day. Every day you try to practice just 20 minutes to 30 minutes every single day. Then you can good speaker in your village. At the same time, you can listen English speaking video on your Facebook page or on your YouTube channel. You try to listen English speaking video. At the same time, if you are free, you can make English video in front of your camera. I hope that when you will practice your English in front of your camera, I hope that by making video you can learn many things to improve yourself. You can good speaker in your village by making English video. Side by side, I know that there is no alternative way to learn English without more practice. I have seen many students, they practice their English just 2 months or 3 months. After 2 months they give up their English. That's why they can't good speaker properly. They can't make English video in front of their camera. For that, every day you try to practice your English at least 6 months to 1 year. It doesn't matter if you stay in your house. Every single day you try to practice. Every day you try to follow this consistency. If you do not follow this consistency, you will not be able to improve yourself. You will not be able to successful person in your village. You cannot become good speaker. For that, every day you try to little bit. I hope that when you will practice your English little bit every day, you can good speaker in your village. Like me, every day I try to practice my English just 20 minutes to 40 minutes. I practice my English in front of my camera, or when I stay in my house, that time I try to practice just 20 minutes to 40 minutes. Like this way I'm improving myself day by day. Many people, they will disturb me. Many people, they tell me, hey brother, you will not be able to improve yourself, and lifetime you will not be able to improve your speaking skill. Many people, they tell you different kinds of comment. It doesn't matter. You try to practice your English every single day little bit. I hope that success will come definitely. See you next video. Stay safe, stay your home, keep enjoying Keep learning, keep making your English video, keep enjoying your valuable time with your English speaking partner. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.